In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Wise with Xero. Step 1. Log into your Wise business account. Open the Wise website and sign into your business account. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Access integrations and tools. Click on your business name in the top corner. Go to Settings, then Integrations and Tools. Step 3. Select Apps and Software. Under Integrations and Tools, select Apps and Software and then choose Xero. Step 4. Authorize connection with Xero. Follow prompts to log into your Xero account and authorize the connection between Wise and Xero. Step 5. Choose currency balances to sync. Select which Wise currency balances you want to sync with Xero. Step 6. Map Wise balances to Xero bank accounts. Map each Wise currency balance to the corresponding bank account in Xero. Step 7. Confirm and complete setup. Review your settings, confirm the integration and begin automatic syncing. Step 8. Manage bills and transactions. Use the integration to import bills to Wise and mark them paid in Xero automatically. Plus, sync Wise card transactions with receipts. Now I have some tips for you. Ensure Xero multi-currency is enabled if syncing multiple currency balances. Sync happens every 4 hours, but can also be manually triggered. Review sync transactions regularly to keep your accounts up to date. You can disconnect via Wise account settings if needed. And that is how you connect Wise and Xero. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments down below and I'll try to help you out.